So we're on our way over here to Scawfell at the moment from St. Bees Island, and we've just seen whales, and it's a perfect day for wildlife photography, so let's see how we go.
How cool was that?
Pretty exciting.
Woo!
He slapped his tail like, what was it? Six times.
Six times. And full breeches about
Full breeches.
6 times too, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
And just lying on his belly.
Yeah.
Flippers flapping around.
Very exciting.
Incredible.
Wow.
Never seen that
Fantastic.
before.
What a day. We've seen we've seen turtles.
You saw a big
massive
fish?
Maori wrasse.
Maori wrasse.
We've seen
Amazing
lots
coral.
of fish, amazing coral.
Such good coral.
Really good coral.
A great morning. Fantastic.
Join the crew on All the Stars as we share what we discover. All about the ups and downs of life on a 37-foot sailboat. Stay updated and hit that subscribe button. Elle and her mum were right. Our trip out to Scawfell had started with a bang. But beautiful Scawfell had more in store for us yet. To show you what we mean, come underwater with us. Well, it's pretty hard to beat. We've just had another snorkel after having snorkeled all morning and seen whales on the way here. Yeah, we're extremely happy to be here at Scawfell and loving to see the reef in good condition here too. So I think it's time for a sunset beer. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you for your support.